What is flotation euphoria?
In the manner in which the MACH works, which is floating very, very fine, fully liberated, very pure, valuable particles. That's how you achieve it, basically. So you're floating all of that up into a concentrate. You will have a higher grade. You are going to have a lower mass because you're not floating all of the gangue or the unwanted material in the process, and you will have higher recovery. So, and it's all because we cavitate in the MACH and create that pico bubble, which we seed or nucleate onto the particle that you want to float. And that's the other thing I say to people. We don't have to worry about one of the pillars of teachings of flotation, which is flotation contact, and that's where the whole mixing idea comes in. You create a bubble here and a particle there, and you try and bang them together. What we do in the MACH is we actually create the bubble on the particle, because that's where, so you almost have particles that give birth to bubbles. So you don't have to worry so much about the mixing and the contact thereafter, although it's always good to have it, but the initiation, the first step, is already done within the MACH as a reactor. So yeah, it's hard to believe, but we have been delivering to 3 or 4 clients consistently now for the oldest one, 7 years. So yeah, it's very doable.
How does the MACH promise flotation euphoria?
A lot of people may ask, why call it that? Why would you even call it flotation euphoria? And it is because the MACH is the only way that a flotation operator can achieve all 3 of the 3 most important things that they would like to see. The one is a higher recovery of the valuable metal, which everybody would like to see. The second one is a higher grade, because in flotation concentrate, it's a concentration step, so it's a bit like putting sugar into water and evaporating out all the water, and you create a syrup, right? So it's a concentration step, so you want a higher grade. And the third one is you want to have a low mass, a low product mass that you would then need to either process further or transport or whatever. So float people want to have higher recovery, higher grades, and lower mass pools. And thus far in the industry, there is no way, there's no other technology, there is no other method that can give you all 3 of those things at the same time. That's why I called it flotation euphoria, because when I make that promise to people initially, they view the MACH, I think, as some type of fairy tale unicorn prancing around, and it's like there's just no ways they can imagine that you can get all 3 of those things. Except if you speak to the people in the industry that are running a MACH on flotation, who have now accepted that with the MACH you can get this. And flotation euphoria, it's a lovely concept to explain to people.